How to send money from Chime to PayPal. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply open up your PayPal account, and after that you will be able to find the option of link a card or bank account right on the home page itself. Just simply click on it. After that, it will give you two different options. Just select the option of link a debit card or credit card and wait for it to load. After that, provide all the details related to your Chime debit card over here and also provide the billing address. Then click on this option of link card, and this way you will be able to add your Chime to PayPal. Now just click on the option of transfer money on your PayPal and select the option of Chime while transferring the money, and this way you would be able to transfer the money from Chime to PayPal, and that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.